Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, I'm getting ready to get my butt out of here and go to work, but I was looking to see what the area was looking like, and I saw this under opportunities. I just want y'all to take a look at this so that you don't get confused like I just did. So you see, you got regular opportunities, $1.50 a trip, $6 a trip. They give you the time frame. But look down here, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. on Wednesday, $1 to 3.50 extra on every trip. 4 eligible areas. So are they just trying to make it a easier way for us to see because they're breaking the boosts apart? Or are they just being lazy with their housekeeping and they don't want to keep uploading all the extra stuff? But you can see here, way down in Miami, which is like a really busy area, 250. North Miami, all the way up to Hollywood, 350. Little Central Dade, Broward County, $3. And $1 up here in my area in Fort Lauderdale. I don't know. Are you guys seeing this? Let me know and be aware before you blindly click these boosts. All right, y'all.